guys, so I wanted to give you a quick tour. Well, I say quick, but this house is absolutely massive, so it's probably going to be a little bit longer, but we're basically down south for a wedding that we went to a few days ago, and the wedding was absolutely gorgeous. I was crying so much during the ceremony because it was just so beautiful, and yeah, I had a really great time. And then we just made the little extended holiday down here, and it's been lovely. We're heading off tomorrow morning, so I thought I'd just show you guys the house before we leave. It is really big, especially just for the three of us, but it's really, really nice, and hope you guys enjoy having a little look. So you come from this road up here, and this is the house. Absolutely massive. And yeah, it's just surrounded with bush, peaceful and quiet. We've got a rainwater tank there, so all the water that we have is rainwater. Here are our towels and big bathers hanging up from swim earlier. I had a little shower at this outdoor shower, and then you go inside. I love how this house has so much glass inside, which is lovely. So then this is the living area, and in there is just a little toilet. Then this is the laundry, pretty basic, just got, you know, washer, dryer, little painting. This is a lounge area with a massive sofa. Literally so big, and lovely views out into the bush. And then I'll show you guys down this way first. So here's a really low to the ground bed, which you can use to just chill on. Some bean bags, which we made good use of, and again the really nice views outside. And then here, this is my bedroom. I've chose this bedroom to sleep in. You can dim the lights up and down. So I chose this bed to sleep in because it's got the better mattress and it's really, really comfy. And it's got a little dresser. Oops, I just hit the bed. My camera, my jumper. There's me. And then yeah, a big window with views out into the garden, and another window here next to the bed. There's the bed. Got my cozy socks. Here I've got another little bedside table. Oh my god, I have these lamps, which I love so much, where you tap them and then they get brighter, and you just tap the bottom of them. They're so cool. Here's some little Polaroids. This is the place we're staying at. This is my bathroom. Switch the light on. Hello again. Got my towel, everything. Oh, this night light is really cool. Basically, you switch this on, and then when this gets dark, if it works, is it dark enough? Oh yeah, see, it turns on when it's dark, which is pretty cool. And you can spin this around to direct the light to wherever you want it at night time. So that's pretty handy. Just leave it off during the day though. Got my Neutrogena products that I'm currently using. Then I've got my toilet, and again, lovely window, and this big shower with lots of glass, and products I'm using at the moment. And as always, I have my supersonic facial brush, and yep, that is really nice. Then this is the other bedroom down the, let me turn the light on and show you. So this is the bedroom I'm sleeping in, this is the bedroom I'm about to show you, and this is my bathroom. So this is the other bedroom, which I have decided to use as my wardrobe. So there's the bed, and then it's got, again, like the big windows which look out onto the bush, another window there, and the same kind of like lamps and everything. And then I'm using this bit as my wardrobe. So I'll give you a quick tour of that. Up here, just got my hat, sunnies, little vest, beanies, just all the bags that I like brought stuff in, which are now empty. My backpack, my dress is in here. You can see the pattern of it through the window. Then my big green parka, my raincoat. Sorry, it's a bit dark. I can't really put any more light into the wardrobe. Then in all these drawers, I have like all my jumpers in here, t-shirts, like tops in there, all my pants and everything in there. And up here, I've got my suitcase with my curler, and in here is literally like all my like hair and makeup and everything that I needed to get ready for the wedding. Toiletries, eyeshadow palette, makeup bag, my watch and jewellery. And then this little shelf has got my shoes, got my booties and my point shoes because I came from ballet down here, so I had them in my bag. Then yeah, my boots from Rivers, which I was wearing today. Converse, actually they're not Converse, they're Vans, sorry, got to get that right. And then just some like hiking shoes. So that's everything in here. And then when you come out of this hallway, then you come into the kitchen, which is really nice and modern. And it looks out over this family kind of area. There's a big photo of a wave and this really comfy couch. Then here's the fireplace, which we had on last night, and there's my yoga mat because I was doing some stretches in front of the fire last night, which was really nice. Then here's the dining table, which is like, these chairs are so heavy because they're like completely made of wood. Then this is like a little kiddie table, which we were using to do our puzzles and things. Then out there, that's the window to my room, and there's like a table tennis table. Then out here, so these are like those really big doors that like windows that like fold together, and then you can like fold them out. So we have those open. And then this is the garden. So around this way, the table tennis table, there's like a playground here with trampoline, slide, like a little cubby house, hammock, which is pretty comfy but not very stable, so I almost tipped out of it. And yeah, the cubby house is pretty cool, like up in the trees. And then this is just our whole backyard. Here we have bean bags, which I was using on the grass in the sun before, which was really comfy. Got a little patio, mum and dad, and another table. And then I think that's another water tank, some firewood, and the other side of the house, which I will show you in a second. And then this is the rainwater tank, and we're back around to the front. So, well, these are flowers from the wedding, by the way, which they kindly let us take home because they had so many, and we're gonna dry these and put them in our fireplace. Come in here, and then instead of going this way down to all my area, we go through the kitchen and this way. This is called the like parents retreat, which has like a mattress looking outside. It's like a little nook, and I love these little lights. You can like turn them on for nighttime reading. And so there's a couch, a big window, the blinds are down, but that also looks outside. Then TV, more windows. See what I mean? This house just has so much glass, and that's like my favorite thing, especially when outside is like the bush. That's where we just walked past from the outside before. Then this is my parents' bed. So, and these drawers are really cool. They're like inside the wall. Can you see that? Like, they like come out the other side of the wall, but like from the front, they don't stick out. They're just like inside the wall. So that's pretty cool. And then it's like a walk-in wardrobe. This bathroom, which has the bathtub that I used the other night, which also has some plants in the window, and it's like massive. Like, hang on, I'll show you in a second. This is like the, hey guys, toilet. There's like a random like window like out into the other area. I'm not really sure what that's for, but hang on, I'll get in and show you guys how massive this bathtub is. My feet literally just touch the end, and I'm like fully lying down in it. At home, my bathtub, I literally can't even stretch my legs, so this bathtub is massive. So that is everything. I managed to get through that pretty quickly, actually. Yeah, just briefly showed you everything. But yeah, I really love it, and I really like this table. This is also from the wedding, part of the bouquet that we, one of the bouquets, and we got to take that home. And yeah, I really like how we're surrounded with bush and there's so much glass so we can see out into the bush. And yeah, that's the whole house. So I hope you guys enjoyed that brief little tour. Like I said, the house is pretty big, so I couldn't really go into that much with everything. I just quickly showed everything to you, and hope you got a little bit of an idea of what it looks like, even if you couldn't see everything completely clear, because it's hard to like give an impression of a place, like what the space feels like if you're just showing it through a camera. But yeah, it's really, really nice, and we've had a lovely holiday here. So hope you enjoyed seeing a bit of that, and I'll see you again in my next video.